Okay, we're in the beginning of phase 3. We pressure wash the bleach off, and one of the things that I've discovered here is that the floor is not even. And you can see these puddles here. There's a natural line, so I know that's my mark. I'm probably going to draw some marks on the wall because I know that I need to fill that in. And so you've got a dilemma with the shop floor. Do you want a level floor or do you want it sloped so that it drains? And so what I'll be doing is getting, there's a leveling compound or fix-all. I haven't decided which one because the leveling compound will level, but I want it sloped. So I may be using fix-all. I want it raised slightly in the back so that it will slope out and drain out naturally this way. There's no drain here. But the way it is, there was a concentration of mildew and mold in the corner because of these puddles, I'm guessing. And so you can see where they actually replaced some wood, and it's probably because of that damage in the past. I don't know. I don't know the history. But for me personally, I know I'm going to fill that in before I start using this. So probably it needs to dry tomorrow and the next day. So tomorrow, while it's drying, I'll probably put in that leveling material. And again, I'm not going to level it. I'm actually going to raise this side so it'll slope and drain out. The reason I like that is in a shop, I like to be able to throw down some Dawn dish soap and clean and scrub the floor and keep it clean. The other opportunity is after that hardens to do an oil-based primer and then a lacquer finish so that it's easier to keep clean and also keeps it dry in here. So those are some options. But one of the main things is we need to change the slope of the floor. So here we're 1/3 into phase 3, and that is rinsing the bleach off so that it doesn't dissolve the wood. And that is the update. So we just made a discovery here with the sloped floor. It'll be interesting to see what the other garage floor looks like as well. This is Monty Reed checking in. Have a great day.